Welcome to Inventor Camp Professor. I'm Sydney, your Inventor Camp Professor, and in this session we'll be talking about the new option in Inventor Camp 2011 in HSM of combine constant Z with 3D corner offset. In this part that we see on our screen, I'd like to use HSM and work on these straight walls over here using constant Z, and the rest of the areas that are not straight walls, I like to use the option of 3D corner offset. Let's take a look at the operation itself. We have here now combine constant Z with 3D corner offset. I'll be using a 4mm ball and mill, and in my constant Z passes, I'll be limiting my angle between 40 and 90 degrees going down every millimeter. And if I go into my pencil passes area, I'll be working on the areas between 0 and 43 degrees. In other words, with constant Z, I'll only be covering areas such as these flat walls, which is between 40 and 90 degrees. And the rest of these areas, which is 0 between 43 degrees, will be done using the option of 3D corner offset. Let's take a look at our simulation. As we can see in our simulation, the toolpath will first start on these walls over here, which is more than 40 degrees, between 40 and 90 degrees, as well as these areas over here, these areas over here, and these areas over here. Then it will start using the 3D corner offset on the rest of the areas. As shown in these tool paths over here, these areas over here, continuing around the entire part until everything over here has been completed, completing the entire part, not leaving any area out. Working in these areas as shown from the top view, using the 3D corner offset. And on the straight walls, using the constant Z option. Thank you for joining us on Inventor Camp Professor. Take care and have a nice day.